This one right here is the Nutty Irish coffee, okay? Nutty. So, hot water in our glass, okay? Put that aside. That's just to keep the glass warm, okay? That's what the instructions say with this drink, so we can roll with it. Put in some Irish whiskey. You don't have to do that step. Come behind it with some hazelnut liqueur. Followed up with some Irish cream. You notice a lot of Irish in here, okay? We got the whiskey, we got the cream. Okay, and then we pour in some coffee. Starbucks, I live near a Starbucks, so rather than brew coffee, I just roll with it, homeboy, because I don't have a coffee maker. Put some whipped cream on top of this bad boy. Looks good, man. Look at that, Come behind and we grate some nutmeg on top. This one's delicious. By the way, we have a lot of these coffee drinks, so if you into coffee, espresso, we got you covered, man. Pumpkin spice lattes, like all the stuff you drink at Starbucks, we got a drink version where you could spike your stuff, okay? So you go to the office happy in the morning. All right, for all your drinking needs, right here at Tipsy Bartender. What is he doing with that? Is he drinking more? Okay.